Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to look at this HY2187 cordless grass trimmer. So I'm going to open the box, lay the contents on the table and you can see exactly what you get. First of all, we have the unit itself, the head unit. I'll move on. We have various other components which are going to need to be assembled, including the guard and one of the handles. We have the battery and charger. We have two bags here which contain the screws that we're going to need for assembly. And finally, we have the user manual. Now, I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to charge the battery, because it will come with some charge, but obviously we want a fully charged battery before we use it. If I put the battery on charge now, we're away. So, a bit of assembly to do. We're going to fit this edging wheel on first. So you'll see on the head unit here, it has this black plastic piece on one side, and then on the other side, this edging wheel simply fits in that slot there. What you'll see is one of the bags has these two screws into it. So what I'll do is open the bag. We'll get those two screws. So that's the two small screws. So what we're going to be doing is fitting one screw in here to screw it into here, and then the other screw down through here to screw it into there. So I'll just take the screw, cross-headed screwdriver, just fit it in the slot there. Oops, I'll get it started. Okay, fit the second screw. Okay, so that's it, simple as that, how to fit the edging wheel. So I've just fitted this guard into place on the underside, and as you can see it comes in from the back side of the head here, and once it's in you'll hear it click into place and it can't be removed. What I will need to do is to fit the securing screw down into a hole in the bottom here, and you can see the hole here. Wind it down, secure it nice and firm, and that's the guard fitted. So the next thing to fit is this bump protector on the front. So you'll see a couple of slots here on the side. Let me angle it towards you. So there's one here on the top, one here on the bottom. Okay, and then I can push it all the way in and I can pull it out to whatever position I want. I'll leave it there fully back for now. So we need to fit the upper handle now on top here. I'll undo the little hand wheel, put that to one side for a moment, take the bar out from the inside, and it just fits over the outside onto the frame, roughly in position there. I can put the bolt back in and back on with the hand wheel. Now obviously if I leave the hand wheel loose, I can adjust this to various positions, whatever feels comfortable for you. Okay, once I'm done, tighten up the knob, and there we are, that's the upper handle fitted. So, just to show you some of the ways you can set the machine up to suit yourself, to make it most comfortable. The head can be angled. We have this button here. If I push the button, as you can see, we can alter the approach angle of the head. So, depending on how long a shaft you've got, you can change the angle of the head to see what's most comfortable. So when I say about the length of the shaft, if I unscrew this ferrule here, as you see, it's telescopic. Tighten the screw back up. Obviously that makes it full length for the taller person, but it can be adjusted to whatever length you like. So if we're going to be using the edging wheel, it would be nice if we could rotate the head around to this angle while keeping the main handle in the right position. Well, that can be done. If I just tighten that ferrule up there, what we need to do is pull it apart and then rotate it. So I'll show you. Pull it apart and rotate. It springs back and locks into position. And as you can see, it's now set up for edging. So with our battery now fully charged, I can insert the battery, the blue part towards the back, into the slot, click, and that's the battery in position. To remove the battery, I'll push the blue tab and slide it back out again. So a two-piece trigger to start the machine. It has to be pushed, this button, one way or the other for it to start, and obviously it has the trigger underneath. So if I just pull the trigger, nothing will happen. If I push on the lever, machine will start up. Again, just pushing the lever from either direction will allow it to start up. But you must push this lever one way or the other before pulling the trigger for it to start. This unit doesn't have an automatic trimmer line feed. If you notice that your trimmer line is wearing away or getting a bit short, to advance the line out of the holder, you'll see a little black button which is there. So if I push the black button, it will allow 1 centimetre of line to come out. Yeah? Every time I push the button, another centimetre. Okay, so that's how you advance the line out of the spool head. Well, here we are. That was quick and simple. I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.